Mbunge wa Igembe South ni akinyetie kiuria mbere ya mbunge akienda kumenya ni mbete ing'ana igaeri Murandi ejwa gwitithia nkathe cibitari ya Meru level 5 agicokia kiuria giki mukaririgite wa kamiti yogima Dr. James Nyikal ugite gutendururu kinyemwe ya thuriri Murandi jo kire budget ya 2026-2027 kiuria kiria kirio nande ni kethira Murandi jo jogakinyanira kana mubango jwa thirikari nene ni jujuriku. Anthony Kathenya niwe uri na ripoti iji.
Mwikaririe twa kamiti yogima bwa mwiri ya bunge nene liu na idhurete mbele ya kamiti ya kigeni ya bunge nene atekiri mwaka ujo turwa kigeni wa mwaka 2026 na 2027 guteke kigena gitenge kia waki no thonde kibwa thibitari ya Meru level 5 kenda itithwa nkathi mpaka level 6.
It didn't even appear in our list as one of the level 6 facilities.
Bubu bwejete nyume ya mubungu wa Igembe South John Paul Mwirigi kwenda kumenya kuma kiri mwikaririe twa kamiti ino kethiro kiri mwaka ujo turwa kigena kwina mbesa itengete kuthikire thibitari ino nyume ya mubango wa gwitithwa nkathi kwa thibitari ino kurugurwa ni munini wa rais Professor Kithure Kindiki.
I have asked this question because we were there with His Excellency the Deputy President to do the groundbreaking for the addition of infrastructures within that hospital, within the Meru level 5 hospital, because there is that process of uplifting that hospital to level 6, which is ongoing currently, and there is those projects which are ongoing there currently being undertaken by the KDF people. That's why I wanted to know in this current budget, 2026-2027, how much from the ministry has been allocated to this hospital.
Aidha mwikaririe twa kamiti ya bunge nene yogima bwa mwiri akirene uritotongere na tongore ba county ya Meru gutigire mubango jo gwitithwa nkathi kwa thibitari ya Meru level 5 mpaka level 6 no kwingwa na mpwe kenda thibitari ino na kigena kiri budget ya mpongeri kana supplementary budget.
Fast track that process so that at least in the supplementary are we still be going there? Shall we still be around by the supplementary? We can then factor in as level 6.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kuthingatia.